All right, I want to talk about one more accessory. And it's often neglected. A lot of people don't do it, and in some places it's required by the state, law. And that is mud flaps. I'll show you these mud flaps after I installed them. These are the Weathertech no drilling mud flap. But what I really want to show right along with the mud flaps is, hey, that's a lot of dirt and mud and grum that's not going to get up on the truck. And then when you combine it with 6-inch running boards, that's a when I wash this thing, it's going to take a lot longer for it to get this dirty. I'll show the back too. So just one more accessory to help keep the value of the vehicle way up and protect the paint.